once we start the music, I might, you know, start feeling good. You know what it is. So, right, left, 1, 2, 3, left, right, 1, 2, 3, front, side, back, side. Right? That's that. From there, that's all you're gonna do. Don't think of it as being hard, because there ain't nothing hard about the song for real, for real. It's just a popular song, so you automatically think, I'm gonna be able to do that. Yes, you will. So then you're gonna go right, left, out, left, right, out. Basically just step, cross, step, cross. So from the beginning, it'll look like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Front, side, back, side. Step, cross, step, cross. Okay. From there, that's all you're gonna do. Step, like I had showed you that cha-cha earlier. Step, cha. 1, 2, 3. With your left foot, you ain't gonna turn backwards. You're just gonna turn that way. Step, bow. 1, 2, 3. You take 4 steps this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll, roll, roll. That's what part you looking for. Yeah. So from the beginning, that's the whole dance, by the way. But from the top, it looks like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Front, side, back, side, step, cross, step, bow. 1, 2, 3, left step, bow. 1, 2, 3, walk. 2, 3, 4, right foot and a fan, and you a girl.
Okay.
Thank you.
I gotta get this. Where the fans at? Where the fans at? Give me one time. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground.
Out, step, cross, step, cross, step.